Hi everyone, welcome to CSE 7013, Advanced Mathematics for Computer Scientists. My name is Z Zan. I'll be your instructor this semester. I'm excited to work with you and to get to know you as we go along. Everything for this course will be on Blackboard Ultra. The course is organized in modules listed on this left panel. First thing first, we need to access the syllabus and the class notes. The class notes is in the form of PDF file. You can look at this, and it is equivalent to a textbook. And then the syllabus is under this welcome module. If you click here, and you will see over here and syllabus here. And so we will have a office hour or virtual office hour, and Monday at 8 to 9 p.m. through this Google link. It's optional, and if you have questions, you can meet me in real person online, or real time online, and then we can talk. Or if this time is not good for you, you can make a separate appointment. There is no required textbook except these two recommended readings, and if you want to dig deeper beyond what we are covering here. And the full syllabus you can be downloading here. It's a PDF file, and let's browse through. And this is similar situation. Importantly, here is how it is distributed. Every week we're going to have one assignment, and we're going to have something about 11 assignment. Well, this is a tentative schedule, and these are the weights about each of these assignments. And also here the schedule, and so you can take a look at this. This is a tentative schedule. In some special situations, we will need to adjust the schedule from time to time. Well, I will let you know usually ahead of time. And the assignment should be submitted on the Blackboard before the midnight when it was due. But the late submission will be accepted, but there will be a little deduction, 1% per day. And of course, it's only maximum deduction of 20%. In other words, if you wait until the end of the semester to submit your homework, assuming you get a perfect assignment, but at most you will get 80%. So, but it's still better than nothing. Apparently, we work with course module by module. Apparently, a natural way to start from module 1 for week 1. And within this week and the first week, and you have learning objectives. And of course, it's already there. We're going to learn in Boolean algebra. And then reading and resources. This is the main topic. So this one, and after the finish reading inside this, I will see inside this they will have reading. So that's the main contents. You start from a lecture video, and after a lecture video, that's the main part of the course. You start at lecture video, and this currently is given by Dr. Chen, because I'm a newer. Later on, you will see some of this video was be substituted by my own narrative. And after that, then you will start reading systematically the textbook. Okay, here's the link to the textbook. Okay, here's the textbook. And then after that, so this is, once again, is the week 1 module. You start from this week 1, and again, it is this part is the most important part. Okay, so most of the contents is in here in this document. So basically, as ordered the video first, and of course that's the PowerPoint file of this video first, and then you will have the reading, systematically reading, which is the equivalent to a textbook. After that, and you can work on the homework. There's a handout of exercises, okay, of this. Then you work on the handout, okay, and you have problems, exercises, and you can also create your own problems. So after that, and then so you're done. Okay, if you're not fully understood, you could go back and forth between the video and PowerPoint plan, the class notes, and exercises until you think you are fully mastered the contents. You know, of course, each of you are graduate students. You have your own learning habit or learning abilities. You can have your own strategy. You just feel free to be flexible, okay? And the contents is here. After you think you have basically mastered the contents, you can work on the assignment. So that is this part. So this is to assignment. In fact, you already have the assignment for. Okay, let's see. Okay, we will have assignment every week. So then you download this file and work on paper or you can on electronic files. But then you submit it in either PDF or Word format. In either case, your work must be completed here and submit back to Blackboard in a single electronic file. So you are encouraged to discuss the homework problems or work together in groups, but for each of you have submit your own work, okay? And simple cut and paste into each other the same, the identical copy will not be accepted. So you're encouraged to discuss, but submit your own work. Also, we'll have this discussion link after you're doing assignment or during your study. You can always post some questions or discussions in this discussion, but this information post here, the question post here, is not graded, or so you just feel free to discuss, for example. And so let me ask you a question. For example, if I ask you if yesterday were tomorrow, today would be Friday. What is the day today? All right, so I will post here and then you answer, and we can have some brainstorming games, math, computer science, or mostly we talk about the class week by week. So this is the discussion board, and also there is still also a general discussion link on top here, is separate from this one. Since I can have a new discussion every now and then, I will post some questions or some brainstorming question or some fun, maybe even a joke or game, or you can feel free to post some questions. Check this frequently, even if you don't want to post anything, don't want to say anything, but then students, and this is the common place we can exchange information and learn. You can learn from each other here. Again, the contents are in this folder, in this module, week 1. Okay, in this reading and resources, and within which you will go in a cycle of lecture first, and reading the textbook, doing exercise, and then you're done. And here I also have some highlight videos which I made, and this some are made from previous classes. If you have particular questions or specific problems, you can post your question on the discussion board, or you can send me emails. If I have seen many have the same issue, same concerns, I will make what I call a highlight video. For example, these are for the previous video. You're not required to watch every one of them, but I encourage you to watch every one of this. But this is when we work on the homework problem, students and then walk through all this. These were previously recorded. And if you have, I will make some more of these videos as time goes on. That's kind of on demand. If you all have questions, I answer your question. I'll make it in form of video. I will call it highlight certain, for example, the operator precedence or proof by contradiction. These are you're not required to directly watch this, but then when you work on a homework problem, come back here, see if you get stuck, some of the question already being answered here. And these are very short videos, like a particular problem, implication, more comfortable, and things like. So these are below. These are highlighted videos, and in response to student questions. And we may or may not have more of these videos this semester, but I will just accumulate some of the common questions here. So answers to previous questions. So once again, look in here and then here. Even though this is the online asynchronous class, I also do hold virtual office hour, as I said, Monday 8 to 9 p.m. You're not required to come, but you're encouraged to come online. You will find the Google Meet link on the syllabus. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, just reach out. I'm looking forward to a great semester together. Bye-bye.